year that we adopted out one of our long-standing members of our dog community. And we have a lovely collage here that my wife will bring up on stage. So please hold on to your dogs tightly. He hasn't been here tonight, but he was over at the shelter. And I'd like to call up his parents, known as Hilton's parents, Jim and Kathy.
Thank you so much for giving Hilton a loving home.
Sure, he's been quite a dog, I tell you. Actually, we were going to adopt a little Pomeranian, a little white Pomeranian. So that dog's too much energy. I think we need Hilton. So he's an awesome dog. He's brought my son closer together. He's brought me and Kathy closer together. He's really a special animal.
Okay, so we believe Hilton is here. Is he coming through the back door? No? He might be partying with his old buddies at Heartland. Yeah? No? He's coming? Okay. So Hilton was with Heartland for, I believe, 2.5 years. So he is considered a bully breed. And they get a bad connotation for various reasons. But to be able to adopt a dog so special, if you get to meet Hilton, he has such a loving home now, and it means so much to Heartland that Jim and Kathy has made Hilton has made their forever home with Jim and Kathy. So he's here. So is he coming up?
They kept him over at the shelter.
He's on stage.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Well, they just took him over.
Okay, so those that do have dogs, I would recommend that you do hold on to your dogs tightly. Yeah. So here he comes. Why don't you give quite a round of applause to Hilton, being adopted to his forever home with Jim and Kathy.
A gypsy dog, huh?
Is he coming? Is he coming
Here
here?
he comes. He's wearing a Heartland.
And guess what he's dressed in? Yeah, a Heartland hat and a red Heartland sweatshirt. There's our buddy. Mommy, Daddy, you've left me tonight.
Oh my God! Wow! Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow!
He's a sweetie pie.
Usually rip somebody's head off.